What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? What's happening, guys? Welcome. I am TonyaNicole, and welcome to my bomb ass unboxing world. Today on the platter, we have Melanin Beat Box. I got this box last month, was their very first box release, and I absolutely love this box. So I'm hoping that November's box will be amazing as well. So if you guys want to see what's in Melanin Beat Box, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. What's up, loves? Welcome. Happy Monday, guys. Happy Cyber Monday. Also, before we get started, I want to send a huge happy birthday wish to my mommy. Happy birthday, mama. I love you so much. Y'all give a little shout out down below. Today, we have Melanin Beat Box on this last day of hurricane season and November. So I'm very excited about that, guys. We don't have a drink today, but before I go any further, I want to shout out my 5 first commenters from Friday's video. Thank you guys so much. Also, my 5 first commenters from my bonus Saturday video. Thank you all as well. I appreciate all of you guys dearly. Now, let's get into some specs of this box and unbox it. So as I said before, guys, Melanin Beat Box is a brand new subscription. This is only their second box. This one is the Fari Box. It retails for $44.99 each month. This is a beauty lifestyle box. They also offer the Aida Bag, which is $22.99 per month. I think you get 4 items in that bag, and in this box you get 6 to 7 products, if I'm not mistaken. I will have more details down below. This box does support small Black-owned businesses. So all of the products that you will see in here is from Black-owned companies, but everybody can wear and use these products. They do say on the website that unlike other big subscriptions that offer a cheaper price and you get a whole, like a big retail value, you will not find this in this box, guys. The value is a little lower than other subscriptions, but they're stating that it's the quality of the products that they go by. So let's see what we got for the month of November. It does say discover something new on the front. Let me pull her open. This is what she is looking like. And we do get a card each month, guys. And this card combines everything from the Fari and the Aida box on here. So I'll just have to go through and see which ones go with the box that I have. On top here, they have some little cards. It's like business cards that they do. First thing right on top, I am noticing this right here, which appears to be a bracelet with the word love written on it. So let's take this out of the package and see. Oh, it is really pretty. Okay, so when we take it out, this is what it looks like. It looks like a Hello Kitty little cat right there. And then they have the word love right here at the bottom. This is really cute. So you clasp it right here on the end with this end here to look something like this. Okay, this is very cute. I'll probably pass this along to one of my little nieces. Let's see what this retails for. And this, guys, is the Bohemian Brown Girl Leather Bracelet. And this retails for $9, my loves. Next product, ooh, we have some lashes. And the packaging is absolutely gorgeous. This is from Glitter Saint, I think it says. Let me check. This is from Glitter Saints Cosmetics, and these are some eyelashes right here. Let's open them up and see. Y'all know I love a lash. Okay. Alrighty, and these are what the lashes look like right here, guys. Very full, very fluffy. I guess these are like faux mink lashes, and they're in the style Majesty. Alrighty, there we go. I like these lashes. They're very thick though, so I think I will try them out and see. These retail for $10, guys. Next product is bubble wrapped here. Let's open it up. Okay, so I knew I was smelling something in this box. This is from Serenity Essentials. Let me make sure. So this is from Serene Spa Essentials. It's a glamorous, dazzling lipstick bath bomb. Oh my gosh. And we have the scent Rose. That is what it looks like right there. Now, how cute is that, y'all? So this is described as rose scented. It's a fun bath soak infused with vitamin E and shea butter. It's colored with vegan, skin-friendly, non-staining mineral micas with light glitter. Ooh, okay. This is so creative and so cute. This retails for $5.85, my loves. Okay, I like that. It's very different. Our next product, guys, is from Virginity Naturals, and this is a matte liquid lipstick, and we have the shade Plum. So let's see what it looks like. Ooh, okay, so when we take it out, that is what she is looking like. And let's swatch her. This is a beautiful color. Beautiful. Ooh, it's like a, it's not, I would get more of like a fuchsia. It's a beautiful, beautiful color. Very pretty, very vibrant. I love this type of color. Very pretty for like spring. You can even do it with for winter, fall with like a dark liner. I do like that. And this is again by Virginity Naturals. This is a vegan, cruelty-free liquid matte lipstick, and this retails for $12. So it also says that it is long-lasting and waterproof. Okay, guys, I really like this. I think I'm gonna put a little bit on. Let's see. Ooh, that is really pretty. Alrighty, next product up is in this little baggie with a couple little rose petals in it. Rose petals. So when we pull it out, we get two little rose petals there. And this, guys, is by Essence by Danae. This is a perfume fragrance oil. It retails for $9.50. On here it says it's rose, jasmine, and lavender fragrance. It is infused with rose petals. It relieves stress, promotes calmness with a beautifully soft scent, and it's perfect for day or night use. And this is the scent Grace. That's what it looks like right there, my loves. And I'm assuming it's just like a roller ball. Yes, it is. So let's roll a little bit out. Ooh, it does smell good. And it is a light scent. I can smell the rose in it, which I do like. And inside of there, we have some little rose petals. So this is cute. $9.50 for this, my loves. Ooh, this one is a little fancy. Next up, we have this item right here. It does not have a name on it, but I'm gonna say that it is a liner. So this is what the outside packaging looks like. This is so TonyaNicole. Girl, I am feeling this package. This is the nice, like a coppery color here with the front. I love that. Let me see what this is right here. So this is from Empress Lashes, and it is a lash glue pen. Okay, cool. Retails for $5. So when we open it up, this is what it looks like, a nice felt tip. We can swatch it. It is a glue for your lashes. So, okay, it's very dark and pigmented, and it is sticky. All right, so I have been experimenting with these a little bit, and I am looking for one that holds the massive lashes that I wear in place. I'm hoping that it will. We will try this out. Okay, $5. All right, we have two more items, guys. Next up is this right here. Okay, what is this? And this is from Sultry Notes Aromas, and this is a Cocoa Queen Bath Bomb. Oh, wow. Okay, that's what it's looking like right here. I think that is like Africa on there. Take her out. I don't know what I smell in here, but that's what it looks like outside of that bag, guys. And let's see what this little baby is. This is the Sultry Notes Cocoa Queen Bath Bomb. And this one is a luxury bath bomb that's created to make you feel like a queen. It is hand painted and beautifully scented with cocoa butter, cashmere fragrance oil. And this, my loves, retails for $8. And our final product in the box comes bubble wrapped here. And this is a palette. And this is from Eris Cosmetics, Heir to the Throne. I love the name. When we slide it out, it looks like that. And oh girl, we have a mirror. Hey, boo. Ooh. Okay. So, some of the names before I show you is Duchess, Reign, Majesty, Duke, Opulence. I like that. Countess. Like, look at this palette. This is gorgeous, guys. This palette is beautiful. We get some matte shades, some shimmer shades. I think my voice is going out. I don't know, y'all. We have some purple tones, a little bronzy color here, black. Let's swatch her really quick. Ooh, they feel so soft. Okay, those are what the first 5 look like on my fingertips. All right, so that's what they are looking like swatched out. I hope you guys are able to see it. This was only one swatch, and I must tell you, the formula is very nice. A couple of the matte shades, though, feel a little bit dry, but the palette is gorgeous, and it did swatch out really nice. But y'all know the magic don't come until you put this on a brush and on that eye, boo. The Eris Cosmetics Heir to the Throne eyeshadow palette. It retails for $24. Okay, guys, so that was our final product. We're going to quickly recap, and then we're going to do final thoughts, rate the box, and we're going to be done. Eris Cosmetics, this eyeshadow palette. From Serenity Spa Essentials, this bath bomb. This liquid perfume oil. From Sultry Notes, this bath bomb here. Virginity Naturals, this liquid lipstick. From Empress Lashes, this lash glue pen. Glitter Saint Cosmetics, these eyelashes. And Bohemian Brown Girl leather bracelet. So these 8 products are right here, loves. So the grand total for this box for this month was $83.35 for 8 items. Final thoughts, I actually enjoyed this box again this month. Once again, they introducing me to a lot of companies that I personally have never heard of, and I get to try out and use their products. I love that they give us makeup, but they also give us a lot of lifestyle products that everyone can enjoy. For $44.99, I know that normally we would expect a value that is well into probably $200, but this company focuses on quality over quantity, if that makes any sense. They like to deal with quality products. I do want to know what you guys think down below about the price and then the overall total for the box. I don't think that it's bad. I think the overall value for this month was bigger than last month's, and I do like the products in this box. Would it be in this palette, these lashes, this lipstick? I'm interested in trying this pen. This perfume oil smells really good. I'm really not into bath bombs, but my sister and her daughters are, so they definitely can get some use out of these. And the bracelet I will pass on to my niece, but it is so cute. And I mean, you just get a whole variety of things in here. So if I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw in a damn lion's den, to 5 being this box is the bomb.com, boo, you know what I'm saying. We're going to give the Melanin Beat box for the month of November a solid 3. I really enjoyed the box, guys. I like the products, and I'm excited about using them. So once again, this is my own personal opinion, but I want to know what you guys think. Let me know down below in the comments. This is only their second box, guys, so they're brand new subscriptions, and I need to know what y'all thinking. Don't forget, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. I love to see my family grow. Follow me on Instagram as well as Twitter. All of those links are down below. Melanin Beat box's link will be down below too if you guys want to check them out. New subscribers will get 20% off, no code needed. And that's all that I have, my loves. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you're having a great Monday. Happy birthday again, Mom. And that's it, guys. So until next time and next video, you guys stay blessed, stay safe, and wear your mask. I'll talk to you later. Bye.